Guys, before going to the video, just visit the channel once. We have so many playlists here. We have advanced Python course, advanced SQL course, advanced Power BI course. This is in Telugu and this is advanced Excel course. You will get more courses in future. Also, if you go to podcasts, just see the podcast. So all these podcasts are in Telugu. So we have discussed everything about every job. So you will get end-to-end details if you visit this podcast. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Please support me. I'll give you more free courses. Hello colleague. Welcome to my channel. This is a very powerful playlist for Power BI and this playlist will make you master in Power BI. I'll tell you why. We will gather multiple scenarios in different companies like real-time issues, real-time requests, real-time dashboard maintenance and what kind of tickets will be raised by your clients. Also, we will guide you achieve the result and we will explain you how to impress your clients with a good storytelling techniques. Follow this playlist and become a best team member in your team. Let's go to the task. Hi guys. Uh, in this video, what we are doing is we have a report. This report has created by one of our students. So we will review this report. We will do what are the corrections we have to do before going to the review. Okay. So guys, whatever the report we create, we have to tell a story. So for example, we have this visual. So by looking at this visual, the user can understand what we are telling. So that is called a storytelling by visual. So yeah, we will review each and every visual here. We will correct it. Also, we will correct the metrics as well. So this is a very important video, guys. If you watch full video, what you will learn from this video is you will get 2 to 3 years of experience playing with the reports, playing with the data, and data validation. And also, if watching this video, the review sessions will getting down because like you will learn most of the content, most of the important content here, which will make you the better reporting person. Also, we have few tabs here. This is blueprint, this is phase 1, this is phase 2, and this is final, and this is for validation. So we will discuss about these pages in the next coming sessions. Why we have these pages, sir? So when we have a data, so this is the data. When we get the data, we don't build directly this type of reports. We will first take a blueprint and then we will convert this blueprint into phase 1. After this, we have to, like build some phase 2 and we can shift it to final. This is also not final ones because if we think this is the final ones, when we take this report to our manager or any client and all, no, we will get so many requirements. Like for example, we have a title here. So client will say that I don't need the title like this. I need a title in center. So I don't like these colors. So these two are, like similar colors. I want to separate colors or contrast colors. Like, so this is orange, this is blue, like that. So we will get many, corrections like that. So what we are discussing now is we will understand what are the mistakes this report has and how can we build this report very beautiful, very beautiful than this. Also, we will go each and every metric and we will correct them if they are having any mistakes. Okay. So first we will look the data so that we will understand what report, what data we are working on and how can we make the report better. Yeah. So we have two tables here. So one is daily expenses. This is made in. Let's leave this one apart. Yeah. So now we have this. So looking at this table name, we can clearly understand that this table is having the data of a daily expenses. So this is the sample data, guys. So let's understand the data. So we have category, we have items, span, place, and all. Just we will go through one row, then we will understand the data, what data we have, and how can we replicate this data into a beautiful report. Yeah. For example, we have biryani, we have spent. So we have spent 300 rupees on a biryani. So biryani is under food content. It is food, right? So we categorized it as a food. And where did we eat the biryani? Hyderabad. And how did we pay the amount? So it is offline. So online. We have offline and online. So we went to some restaurant like that. No. So it is offline. And how did we pay the cash? So it is credit card. And how many items? One item. This is a calculated one. We will discuss it later. And this is the ID. For biryani, we have given B1 is the ID. And this is date. So if we understand this row completely, on September 5th, we ate biryani in Hyderabad. That is food. We ate in a restaurant. We paid the bill through credit card. This is the data we have. So each and every row we have to give a ID, right? So this is the ID. So we understood the data, right? Now we'll go to the report. Yeah. So this is the report. Let's review it. Let's make it bigger. Yeah. I hope this is looking with clarity. Yeah. Now let's understand. So we have a logo here. Logo is having brown and yellow, and daily expenses. So this is the title. Yeah. If you look at the logo, it is in yellow and brown, right? But if you look at this report and the colors, nowhere we are using brown, nowhere we are using yellow, right? So in most cases, what client requires is they want to see the data, they want to see the visuals, and the color should be the company's logo colors. So in that case, in our report should look like yellow and brown. Yeah, right. This is we are here. We are good, right? Now, yeah. Let's go to what are the visuals we have in this report. So we have filters, couple of filters here, and we have visual which tells like the number of share. We have, I mean, share by place. Yeah. This is telling us a story, that is where did we spend and how what's the share. So if you see here, we have 51K spent in here in Bangalore. So that is the share. Okay. And next, item count by transactions. So we have credit card, cash, debit card, and COD, right? So this is telling that story. And we have dates here, and we are showing it in a trend. This is spent by count of items. So we have two lines here, right? If you over here, so it is not telling any story, but we can see here. Though, so the light blue line is, yeah, we can see that data. So the lights in here in September 5th, we spent 2,773 and the item count is 3. Like that, it is telling the story. And this is also a share by platform, online and offline. And this is the items and the amount. This is category, amount by category. And I think, yeah, we are getting a full data here. Like in most cases, we place a full data. So if you see this table visual, we have everything. So date, category, items, place, and all. So why we are keeping this visual here is to export the data. As we are having, like a small data set or small data, right? So we are keeping everything in one tab. So that is the reason the person has kept this table is also in one page so that user can export the data. So let's see. I'll just export it. Downloads. So whenever we export the data from file which is in local, it downloads in CSV file. I'm just saving it. Let me open this. Yeah, this is the one. So yeah, if you see like, so date category items, place platform transactions, item count spend, item count. So whatever the data we have here, we downloaded. So why we need this thing is sometimes clients will request us to add a one more tab for download, because like when we are having a databases and all, no client cannot download the data from database, so they will raise a request to database team for the data. But here, when we have this type of visuals, client come here, they can simply export. So this type of records will we will get it. So that is the reason what we do is, we if we can keep visual like this, no it is very easy to download, right? So that's the reason we kept this visual like this. Okay, let's correct the report. Okay, this is good. We are showing the date in between, and we have to check whether the date is working well or not. Let's change it. Um, yeah, the date is working, and category, yeah, category is also working fine, and items, yeah, it is also working fine, and place, yeah, it is also working fine. Offline, yeah. So all the filters are working. So this is good. Now let's correct the filters. So as we are having the logo is yellow and brown, so we have kept the blue background, right? Let's like change the colors as logo colors. Okay, so now I'll change the blue color to something brown. Let's change it to brown. I think this is background. Yeah, here we have blue, right? Let's change it to brown. I think this is not brown. Yeah, let's keep like this. Now when I change it to brown, you see this is not that. We'll do one thing. First I will take one screenshot of this one, so that we will compare. I don't need to take a screenshot, so I'll just duplicate this one. Yeah, this is duplicated. Now in the duplicate one we will change the colors. Okay, so now background, I'm just, yeah, when it is brown, it has to, the things has to like a white, right? But so this is black, this is looking good. I'll just do something like, or else like I'll do one thing, I'll just change for one thing. I think like if I change the color to white, title we can change it. Let's change the values first. If I check it white, if I, so see, we cannot change, like see, right? Let's keep it black only. We will change the title to white color. Okay. If you see guys, like we don't have title here. Title is off. It is showing the slicer header. I'll just copy this one, and I'll of the slicer header. I'll on the title. I'll keep it here. This is there, and I'll change the color to white. Also, I need it to center. It looks good now. Yeah, now it is looking good. And I'll just take a format painter and I'll apply to this one. See, the as it is also not having title, no? The title has gone away. I'll change it here. General slice title. See, it is off now. So I'll just copy platform. I'll just keep it here. Okay. I'll just copy this one and title. Guys, if you see like so every thing should be in the same format. It is having, T is capital, the first letter is capital. It is also first letter is capital. But if you see the place here, this is not a capital one. We have to change it. This is a correction, guys. We have to keep everything same. And items, it is also having a same format. Title is down. Okay. Category copy. Guys, why I'm not turning off it? Because I can just select this one, I can take format painter, I can apply to all the visuals so that my work will be done easily. See, yeah, now it is looking good. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, why I'm not changing this thing is because like I'll just show you. If I select format painter, if I see, because like this format is different, we are using between here, right? But it is having a different format. That is the reason it gone away. I'll just click undo. Yeah, I have to change it. So date. See, D is small letter. I'll just make it capital. Okay. Also, I don't need slicer header. Just copy this one. Turn off. Our title I have as date. I need it to middle. Okay. Also, the color should be white. Okay. Just look at this. He's having, like the bigger font. This is not having the bigger font. So I'll just check it. The so 14 I have. So I have to change it to 14. Yeah. Now everything is format. But see, like this is not giving me the full data. Yeah, I can get it now. Yeah. Guys, if you see here, I cannot see the date. I'll just change it to change the values is also white. Yeah. Now if I open, yeah, I'm getting the data as well. So this is good. So this is how we can, like change it. Okay. We will compare, like everything after completing this one. Okay. With the final version. Yeah. Now coming to this visual, this is looking nice, but so we will also, as like these filters are having the titles has middle, we will also change it to middle. Title and place is on. We have to keep it first letter as capital. It is also capital. Okay, spent by capital. This is good. And I need center. See, this is good, but I need a background for the title. It looks good. Where is the background? Yeah, background color is off here, and I'll just uh, make it brown, or I'll just make it yellow. Yellow and brown font will keep it. I think we are not having yellow here. Yeah, I'll just keep it yellow. Okay, because why we are doing it? Because like our logo color is yellow, no? So that is the reason. I'll change the font color is also brown. Yeah. So I'll just make it bold. Yeah. Now this is good. Okay. I'll just change it to everyone. This is good. This is good. And this is also good. This is also good. And we are not having any title to this. Now let's keep it like that. So yeah, guys, observe here when we, like keep the title background color. So we are seeing the differences here. So this is, like the visual is not equal to this one, like this. No, just we will arrange those things like that. Okay, this is good. And we will give some spaces. It looks something good. Okay. So we will also, okay, this is good. Okay. And see, this is also not in a good shape, no? Yeah, this is good. And let's make it, yeah, this is good. And let's, yeah. So now this look, oh, this is also not looking good. Let's mark this one. And let's increase the size. So like we are having space here, right? So that what we'll do is we will increase some spaces. Yeah. Just like remember when we are having the table visuals like this now, we have to make sure that every column has the same size. Just make sure that. Okay, let's keep it like that. Let's make this is also some bigger. Okay, looking nice. Yeah. Okay, let's keep it like this. Okay. Now this is something good. Now let's go to each and every visual and we'll correct it. Okay. Let's start with table. Okay. So this is good. Uh, but like if user wants to read the table now, then it is somewhat difficult because like we don't have like lines here, right? For example, sometimes in Outlook, what user can read is in January 1st, accessories, glasses. He might have read like that. So we will just make some grid lines here to make it user friendly one. Grid, yeah, we have grid here. Horizontal, yeah, we can make it. So this is nice. If you want the dark line, you can keep the dark. No, that we will match it to colors. Okay. Yeah, we will kept it yellow and we will change, yeah, we will change it to brown. The backgrounds, whatever we have for the titles, no, we will change it to brown. Style we have, right? Yeah, we will keep that thing only. Values anyway, like, so we will change the column colors to brown. The totals also background should be brown. Yeah, yeah, nice. And if you read the data, see, we don't have comma separated here. This is very important, guys, because clients cannot, invest time on, calculating these things. So as we are having small data, this is okay. We can easily read that 15,815. But let's imagine if we have seven numbers or eight numbers or 10 numbers or like four numbers with two or three decimals, then we cannot read it, right? So just keep in mind that we have to keep comma separated for every number, every metric, every values. Okay, let's keep this thing to, let's select this one. Yeah, here we have, this is a spend, right? We'll make it comma separated. Yeah, now we can clearly understand, right? Looking at this, we can tell like 15 is separated and 815 is separated. So we can clearly read it. Also, see, this is spend. So we have to follow something called adding a symbol. So as we are in India, we can say that this is 4,000 rupees. But let's imagine like we have built a report for two, three different countries or two, three different, like currencies. Then we have to must mention it. So as we are in rupees, we will change this to, we will add some rupee number. We will add rupee. Where is it? Rupee. Yeah. So we will add it. So yeah, see, now by looking at this number, we can clearly say this is, we have two metrics, right? So looking at this, like symbol, we can clearly say that this is spend, and this is item, this is number. We can clearly say that. Yeah, this is very important. And item count also, uh we should have a comma separated. This is item count. So where is item count? Let's check. COUNT. Yeah, let's make it. Yeah, we are good. So this is how we have to check it, guys. So metrics are very important because these are the things only tells a story. Yeah. So next, oh, see, guys, this is not having a capital D. So we have to check everything, guys. I'll just change it to D. And item, this also. See, these are very minor mistakes, but just imagine you are in a client call and client raises this thing. So we built this report with all our skill set. We built, like this report with all our hard work. But like with the simple mistakes, like they will, like ruin our day. Or yeah, it will be very disturbing, guys. So check each and everything. Yeah. Now, yeah, count, we will change this count also. C is capital. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, we are good now. So this is good, guys. And we can do the data is also good. Yeah. So you see, to avoid this one, you can adjust something like this. Let's make it platform any, like anyway we have time, right? This helps, guys, when we are not having vertical grid. No, we can keep it because like see, let's keep vertical grid. I'll show you. This is horizontal, right? Vertical grid. See, when we let me make it darker. So see, when we're having a vertical grid, we can clearly understand that each column is having a different space. Then it is not good. That is the reason we just removed this one. So that see, whatever the columns having a different spaces, we cannot read it. And also like we can read the data in a proper manner. So yeah, we'll keep it like it. Okay. So we can see everything here. And coming to this visual is also good. It is telling a good story. So we are having a category here and we are having spend. See, guys, this is also very important. We are showing a good visual and telling a good story. But if I am a user coming to this one, I can understand that this is zero, this is 5K. But what about this one? I cannot read it until unless I like over the cursor on it. And what about this one? It should not the case. Whenever I see the visual, I should understand it. So I have to add the values, data labels. I'll just add that. See, now I can clearly read it. This is pen. This is 5.7. This is 5.4. This is 3.6. Like this, I can clearly read it. So when I'm having these things, no, I don't need the axis. I'll just remove the axis. I need I need to remove the y-axis. Why it is not able to remove? Yeah. See, if we remove it, we have some space, right? We can, like utilize those things. So yeah, this is good. This is category, this is pen, we can understand. We can also remove the title as well, so that this tell, anyway, like this is telling, right, this is pen, this is symbol. Okay, so I'll just remove this also, the title category, like yeah. But it is better to have a title here. Yeah, this is category, and we are good here. And this is also same, guys. So I'll just take this form painter and I'll give it here. See, now we are getting a great story, right? So shoes 4.6K, watches 4K, petrol 3K. We can clearly read it or understand the visual. Also, and one more thing, see, if you observe here, this is having a dark black, right? But see, these are not having dark. So when we change it dark, no, it looks very attractive, readable. And values, see, this is a gray one. I'll just dark. See, this is so good. Also, this is also dark. See how beautiful we are telling a story. Let's see this one. Yeah, see, we can clearly understand. And same thing will apply to this one also. See, black. Yeah. And coming to this, so we are showing. So this is spent by item, guys. These are the items. This is the spend. And coming to this one, spend by platform. So we have two platforms here. So anyway, whenever we have two platforms, only two or three things, we don't need to show the legend, because like here only we can tell the story. So I'll just off the legend. See, online 0K and 1.47%. The offline 16K we spent, like this. But how come 0K? Let's add few, like decimals, because like 0K, it is showing good only, but we have a data. Whenever we have zero, it should not like that now. So let's add decimals. So data labels outside only values. Let's add, this is auto. Let's, when we make none. So yeah, but here this is showing, but it is not showing. Let's make it thousands only, and decimals we will increase to 2. Yeah, now so 0.2 is the 2K is the thing. We can clearly understand. Or else, like, let's make inside is not having a good one. Prefer outside is also not telling the story. Prefer inside, as we are having only two, right? We will keep inside. But um so what we are showing, we are showing all labels, no, offline anyway, like data value and percentage, no. Then we should have legend, category and data value, no, we should not, because this percentage should be visual, no. Okay, fine, let's keep only, like these two, and we will on the legend, and also we will keep it outside. Outside, yeah. See, now it is good. We are showing the platform here, and the number is also so visible, so this is good. And here also this is showing good only. And coming to this one, so here we are showing a trend. So we have dates here. There are no data labels, we cannot read it. These are not needed, guys, but like when we are having data labels here, these are not needed. But these type of trends, like we have to keep these things. Let's add data labels. Data labels are very important, guys. Without data labels, user cannot read the data. So yeah, see now at least they can read it. If it is not visible, no, they can make it bigger. So 2K in 3K, these are the things. These are dates are there, and I think what are the metrics we have here? Only date. Let's make it hierarchy. See guys, previously we have only dates, right? So I'll make it one. See, previously we have only dates. See, there is no day here, only month and year it is showing, but it's not like that. I'll just make it hierarchy. I'll just remove quarter. See, now we have got few options. We can explain these things to the clients. They can easily use it. We can drill down this one. We can drill down more further. See, this is like showing spend and count of items by year and month. So this is year and month, and this is year. See, they can clearly play with the data. See, this is everything like this. So let's keep year. Okay, and this is good now. Next, this visual. So item by transaction. So this is not item. We have to items by, okay, item by transaction or transactions. Let's transactions is the correct thing. Yeah. So this is also not having. Oh, this is, see, this is not having the dark ones, right? Let's make it dark. Let me. Yeah, it is working good. So yeah, everything converted to dark. And also I'll just take this one, just convert to dark. So see, now we got it now. So yeah, guys, this is it, guys. This is the report we are having. Also, something no, no, yeah, good. So like, yeah, this is good, guys. Everything is good, but except this one, because like I cannot read the data as we are having multiple places here. It is not telling a good story. I'll do one thing. I'll just play some things here to make it better. Data labels outside only. What we have, value percentage and total. Category, anyway, like so let me keep everything, and no, if I keep everything, these are not visible, no. Okay, fine, let's keep it like this. And if user wants to see it, like he can make it bigger. Yeah, this is nice, guys. Okay, fine. Yeah, guys, like anyway, like and one more thing, we are using two visuals. This is all same. These are the same visuals, right? So I'll just make it, like the donut chart. Yeah, see, this is donut. Now we can keep it. Also, we can add, so whenever we are having donut chart, now we can place nicely with this chart, because like we are having space here, right? So we can place something card visual here, the total. So as we are showing total spend, I'll just add a card. This is the card total spend. Okay, this is total spend. I'll just keep it here, and values. This is, well, 16K, and I'll just make it bigger. Yeah, this is good. I love everything. A category label off, and I'll just make it bigger. Yeah, this is good now. Yeah, I'll just make it here, and background I'll make transparent. See, this is on now white. I'll just make it transparent so that it'll merge into that one. Just click here. See, guys. So the total is 16,000. In that 16,000, the this is the share. So 1.47% is for online, and the 98% is for the offline. We can play like this. So yeah, this is good now. We are good. Now let's compare this report and the final report. Okay. Yeah, this is the report, or else we can. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Also, we have to check whether we have visual interactions for other reports as well. Oh yeah, see, now we have to, let's, yeah, this is good. So every visual is changing. Let's click again. So yeah, this is it, guys. So we have to check everything before going to the review with manager, because when we are going to the manager tells many corrections. We have to change it again. You will go to manager again. He will tell it. Also, after the final review, we have to share it to clients. Clients will tell many reviews. I mean, many reviews in the sense like he will tell many corrections. So it is a never-ending process, guys. So before going to the review, only just make sure you follow all these rules. Okay, that's it, guys. Yeah, guys, I forgot to compare the old report and the new report. Let's compare it now. So now let's take a screenshots and we'll keep it side by side. Okay. Yeah, guys. See, this is the report. See, here see, this is very clumsy. When you see this report now, so something like that, something like here, like we cannot able to read the data properly. We see we cannot understand what is the visual, what is the title, and all. But here, look at here, because of these gaps, because of this, like background colors and all. No, we can clearly read the data. Also, we have add, some beautifications by adding by the font colors, the backgrounds, and like comma separations and all. No, so it is looking very good. So comment below, guys, whether this report is looking nice and all, and also just comment any other videos you want me to make. Yeah, we will connect in the next session with a very good topic. Maybe like these things, how to create a report with ease. So we can create this report very easily, guys. I'll just take the same data. We will create a same report within 40 or 50 minutes, within 1 year. Let's take within one sorry, within 1 hour we will create this report, the beautiful report. Okay, so better than this, I can say that, by a blueprint phase and all. Also, the important thing is, after all these corrections, we have to check the validation. See, we have a data here, right? So this, whether the same data is presenting in the report or not, that is very much important. After that validation only, we have to go review with manager, because sometimes manager, in overlook, he will also forget to calculate the things and all, right? But after delivering the report to clients, if the data is wrong, that is a big escalation. So we have to validate the report twice or thrice. That is very important. I'll also create a different video for validation, how to do it. If we get any issues, how to rectify it. If we get the issues in the calls, how to manage it. We will discuss everything in the next sessions, guys. Thank you. Subscribe it, support me. We will come with many important videos for you guys. Bye. I hope you like this task. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll meet you in the next scenario.